Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lutfia Safiti Prasetyo, and in this opportunity, I would like to present the journal of improving the student speaking ability through silent way method at SMU Negeri 12 Makassar by Hasria Rizky, Fathur Rahman, and Ajawari Sodik. This journal contains 5 points. The first is introduction, the second is research method, the third is findings, the fourth is discussion, and the last is conclusion. At the introduction point, this journal explained that speaking is very important, but also there are still many difficulties in improving the students' speaking ability. So the teacher have to use some method to make improvement of this speaking ability skill. One of the method is called a silent way. In the silent way method, teaching learning is facilitated if the students learned based on themselves correction. Therefore, they will make students independent, autonomous, and responsible. In this technique, the teacher have to make the students rely on themselves. This research is important to conduct because the students lack of speaking ability and they are not confident in expressing their ideas orally. This information was obtained from their 3 English teachers when the researcher had preliminary visit and observation the school. In addition, another problem comes from the teachers who are still using traditional method in teaching speaking. As we know that using traditional method or conventional teaching is a teacher-centered, so it means that students cannot actively participate during the class. So for the research method point, the researcher took the population and sample to make easier way to do the research. In this case, the population of this research was all the first grade students of SMUN 12 Makassar. The total number of the first grade at SMUN 12 Makassar are 270 students who are distributed into 9 classes, which means 30 students for each class. The way the researcher selected the sample was under the direction of the school teacher. She suggested that the research can take the sample from the 10 IPA 3 and 10 IPS 3. And the researcher also used cluster random sampling technique, which means only 15 students were taken as the sample in one class. The data were collected through the following instruments and procedures. The first is pre-test, second, treatment, the third is post-test, the fourth is questionnaire, fifth, the observation, and the last is note-taking. In the finding points, this journal explained that there are the result of the student speaking ability before and after the treatment. From the pre-test, the score in the experimental group, there are significant results of scores that classified into fairly good, the score ranging between 66 up to 75. On the other hand, only 5 students are classified into good that consider the best mark with 80. And the result for post-test, the students have improved their speaking ability after taught by the English silent way method. At the discussion point, the researcher is able to assume that the method which was used by them in doing the research was effective in improving the students' speaking ability. The result of their researches revealed that the methods used by the researchers above improved the students' speaking ability. For the first point, the student speaking ability. The first purpose of this research was to find out whether or not the use of silent way method can improve the student speaking ability, and to disclose how effective is silent way method in improving the student speaking ability. According to pre-test and the post-test, the score of the post-test is higher than the score of the pre-test in experimental group. And for the point from the questionnaire, the analysts showed that the use of silent way method affected significantly to the student's interest in attending the speaking class during conducting the treatment. For the last point is conclusion. Based on the research findings and discussion in the previous chapter, the researcher formulated the conclusions as the following. The first, the use of the silent way method in teaching speaking improved the student's speaking ability in experimental group. The second, positive comments that have been given by the students toward the use of silent way method in teaching speaking. And the last, the researcher recommend to the next researcher to compare silent way method with the other speaking method in doing research so that it will be known which one is better in improving students' ability skill. Okay, maybe enough here my presentation about the journal, and I ask sorry if there are many mistakes from me. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.